Okay, how to turn a fraction into a decimal. So we're going to use division now. So we've got 2 over 5. And how many times does that go into 2? Well, we know it's going to be a decimal. So let's put our 2 there and our decimal point there and follow it by some zeros. Next, we're going to go ahead and start dividing. How many times does 5 go into 2? Well, it doesn't. So I'll put my 0 there. Let's now do the next step. How many times does 5 go into 20? All right, 5 goes into 20 4 times with no remainders. So our answer is 0.4. So 2 over 5 as a decimal is 0.4. Let's look at the next example. What is 3 over 8 or 3/8 as a fraction? Let's get our bus stop method going again. Put our denominator, our 8 here, and see how many times 8 goes into 3. Don't forget your decimal. Let's put a few zeros after it as well. There we go. All right, let's start with the first part. How many times does 8 go into 3? It doesn't. It goes 0 times. Forget your decimal. So next, how many times does 8 go into 30? Well, 8 goes into 30 3 times. So I'll put my 3 here. So 8 times 3 is 24, with 6 remaining. Okay, next, we've got the number 60. How many times does 8 go into 60? I know that 8 times 7 is 56, so it goes in 7 times with 4 remaining. Next, the last one, how many times does 8 go into 40? 8 goes into 40 5 times, and I have nothing remaining, so there's my answer. 3/8 as a fraction is 0.375.